Deputy, what two individuals we need that need interpreter?
We didn't hear. Can we advise that?
Hey, John, you got real quick.
Your Honor, you're unmuted.
Know a little bit of finance.
Wow.
And
So,
I think that
hello?
early,
Somebody else is talking, I believe.
Go. All right, Deputy, what inmates do we need interpreter on?
We have 3 currently, Your Honor.
Okay, who are they?
The 3 Yes. You want them out now?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, then tell her we got
Go
one.
ahead and give me those names.
We gonna get through real quick.
One who?
We gonna get my nigga and do it.
Okay. You talking about Jeremiah Johnson?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go ahead and give me those names.
Okay.
All right.
Give me the paper.
Yeah, y'all push her down the bench front. Yeah, y'all can run over there.
The
Hey,
first appearance.
if we can.
I'm gonna try to pronounce it the correct way, Your Honor.
Tell them to sit down on the bench.
The first one is
Hello.
Malji
Yes.
Zunga J.
Spell that last name?
MEIA.
Or the M? Okay.
The second
All right,
one
got
is
that.
the second one is OLBERA.
Oh, yeah, but I'm dealing with two different lists here. Okay, all right, and what was the last one?
The last one is spelled RMONA.
You're breaking up, but it sounds like you said CARMONA.
Yes, ma'am. C as in cat, A.
Gotcha.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm ready.
You heard me?
No.
All righty, what's wrong with my camera? Okay. All right, we're now streaming live on YouTube. Today is August 13th, 2025. I am Judge Kate Johnson. I am the Magistrate Court Judge presiding over this morning's calendar.
Estamos transmitiendo en vivo en YouTube. Hoy es día 13 de agosto. Yo soy la jueza Kate Johnson y soy la jueza del Tribunal de Primera Instancia que preside la lista de causas del día de hoy.
If you are having problems hearing me, please let me know, as there are a few things I need to go over with you prior to starting today's calendar.
Si usted tiene dificultad para escucharme, por favor háganmelo saber, porque hay varias cosas que necesito repasar con usted antes de pasar la lista de causas del día de hoy.
Please listen carefully, as it will better help you understand the nature and the purpose of today's proceeding.
Por favor, escuche cuidadosamente, porque esto le va a ayudar a entender mejor la naturaleza y el propósito de la audiencia del día de hoy.
First, I am not here to try your case, take a plea, or have any legal discussions with you about the specifics of your case.
En primer lugar, yo no estoy acá para tener un juicio en su caso, para que se declare a los cargos o para tener discusiones legales con respecto a los hechos específicos de su caso.
Purpose of first appearance is to advise you of the charges against you, inform you of the charges against you, advise you of certain rights, set bonds for those offenses for which I'm authorized to set bond, to schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney.
El propósito de la audiencia inicial es informarle cuáles son los cargos que se le imputa, informarle ciertos derechos, asignarle una fianza en aquellos delitos en los cuales el tribunal está autorizado a asignarle fianza, programarle la fecha de su audiencia preliminar y determinar si usted requiere la asistencia de un abogado.
You have the right to remain silent, so please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defense that you may have. As I stated earlier, we are streaming live, and anything you say during this proceeding can and will be held against you in future proceedings.
Usted tiene el derecho de permanecer callado. Por favor, no trate de darme o decirme acerca de los detalles específicos de su caso o cualquier defensa legal que usted piense que pueda tener. Como le dije anteriormente, estamos transmitiendo en vivo y cualquier cosa que usted diga podría y sería utilizada en su contra en las audiencias posteriores.
Now, during this and all proceedings, you have the following rights: right to the presumption of innocence, right to indictment by a grand jury for felonies or by accusation for misdemeanors, to a speedy public trial by jury, to compel the attendance of witnesses to testify on your own behalf, to see, hear, and question witnesses who are called to testify against you, to testify on your own behalf or offer evidence in your own defense, and to have an attorney represent you. If you cannot afford an attorney, one may be appointed if you qualify.
Durante esta audiencia y todas las audiencias posteriores, usted tiene los siguientes derechos: el derecho a la presunción de inocencia, el derecho a la presentación de un documento inculpatorio si se le acusa de delitos graves o de que se le formule una acusación si se le acusa de delitos menores, el derecho de tener un juicio sin demora público ante un jurado, el derecho de exigir la presencia de testigos para que declaren a su favor, el derecho de ver, escuchar e interrogar a los testigos que sean citados a testificar en su contra, el derecho de testificar y presentar pruebas para ser utilizadas en su defensa y el derecho de tener un abogado para que lo represente. Y si usted no tuviese los medios para contratar un abogado, uno le podría ser asignado si usted cumple con los requisitos.
So if you are not a U.S. citizen, some charges may adversely affect your immigration status, so you will need to consult with an attorney.
Si usted no es ciudadano estadounidense, algunos cargos podrían afectar de forma negativa su estatus migratorio, o sea que usted debería de consultar con un abogado.
Now, some of you will be allowed to post what we call unrestricted bonds for your release from jail pending the prosecution of your case. These bonds may be posted in 3 ways: cash, commercial, or property.
Alguno de ustedes se le va a permitir pagar lo que llamamos una fianza sin restricciones para permitirle salir de la cárcel teniendo el caso pendiente para ser procesado. Estas fianzas pueden ser pagadas de 3 maneras diferentes: en efectivo, utilizando una compañía de fianza comercial o utilizando una propiedad.
If you post a cash bond, someone will deliver the full amount in cash together with any mandated fees, who will hold it to the final court date, at which time your cash will be returned to the person who posted it.
Si usted paga la fianza en efectivo, alguien tendría que llevar la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo junto con las tarifas de ley a la comisaría, a la cual se quedaría con este dinero hasta el final de su caso, y al final de su caso este dinero le sería reembolsado a la persona que lo pagó.
You may also post a property bond so long as the net equity in that property is at least 3 times the amount of your bond. For example, if you set a bond for $2,000, your property must have at least $6,000 in equity to qualify as a property bond.
Usted también podría utilizar una propiedad para pagar la fianza, siempre y cuando la propiedad tenga un capital neto que sea por lo menos 3 veces la cantidad total de su fianza. Por ejemplo, si yo le fijo una fianza de $2,000, la propiedad tendría que tener un capital neto de por lo menos $6,000 para poder ser utilizada.
Also, if you do not have the full amount of the bond in cash, you could use a commercial bonding company who may take up to 15% of the bond as their fee, and this fee will not be returned to you.
Y también, si usted no tuviera la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo, usted podría utilizar lo que se llama una compañía de fianza comercial, la cual le cobraría hasta un 15% de la cantidad total de la fianza, pero esta cantidad no le sería reembolsada.
Now, each of you will have as a condition of your bond that you are not to violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Cada uno de ustedes va a tener como una de las condiciones de su fianza que usted no puede infringir las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
But some of you will have additional special conditions that will prohibit you from contacting certain people or going to certain places.
Pero algunos de ustedes van a tener condiciones especiales adicionales donde se le prohíbe acudir a ciertos lugares o ponerse en contacto con ciertas personas.
If you have a no contact provision on your bond, this means that you must stay away from and have no contact with the victim. You may not call, write, text, email, write a letter to, or contact through any social media platform. You can't even do something nice for that person, such as sending them flowers, a gift, or a nice song. As nice as that appears, it would be a violation of your bond.
Si la orden de su fianza estipula no contacto, esto significa que usted tiene que mantenerse totalmente alejado y no tener contacto con la presunta víctima. Usted no podrá llamar, enviar un mensaje de texto, un correo electrónico, una carta o tener contacto utilizando las redes sociales. Usted ni siquiera podrá hacer algo amable por esa persona, como enviarle flores, un regalo, una canción, porque aunque esto aparente ser algo muy amable, esto constituiría una violación de las condiciones de su fianza.
If I order you not to return to a particular location, that means that you cannot go back to that location for any reason. If the no return location is a shared residence, meaning you reside there along with the alleged victim, please let me know and I will authorize you to go back but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect some of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, meaning there is no issue as to who owns that particular property.
Si yo le ordenara no regresar a un lugar en particular, esto significa que usted no puede regresar a ese lugar por ninguna razón. Si el lugar al cual usted no puede regresar es una residencia compartida, lo que significa que usted vive ahí con la presunta víctima, por favor hágamelo saber y yo le voy a autorizar para que usted regrese, pero solamente acompañado de un alguacil para retirar sus artículos personales que no estén bajo disputa, o sea, que no haya ninguna disputa de a quién le pertenecen.
Now, if the no return location is a shared residence, meaning you live there along with the alleged victim, please let me know and I will authorize you to go back, but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect your personal belongings that are not in dispute, meaning there is no issue as to who owns that property.
Si el lugar donde a usted se le ordenó no regresar es una residencia compartida, por favor hágamelo saber y yo le voy a permitir regresar, pero solamente acompañado de un alguacil para retirar los artículos personales que no estén bajo disputa.
You would need to make an appointment with the sheriff's office within 10 days of being released to pick up your personal belongings.
Y usted tendría que hacer una cita con la comisaría durante los primeros 10 días después de haber salido en libertad para retirar sus artículos personales.
Now, unfortunately, some percentage of you will come back into custody on a bond revocation because you didn't take what I'm saying here seriously. Instead, you will return to your residence or you'll reconcile with the victim, and it's all good until it's not. The moment the victim becomes upset, police will be called and you will be arrested and held without bond.
Ahora, desafortunadamente, un porcentaje de ustedes va a regresar y va a estar bajo custodia para una revocación de fianza porque usted no se tomó lo que yo le dije seriamente. Y en lugar de esto, usted regresaría a la residencia, se reconciliaría con la víctima y todo está muy bien hasta que ya no lo esté. En el momento que la víctima se moleste, llamaría a la policía y usted sería arrestado sin tener derecho a fianza.
So the court takes these bond conditions very seriously. Just follow the order until it is modified or your case is resolved.
La Corte toma estas condiciones muy en serio. Solamente acátese a las condiciones de su orden hasta que la misma sea modificada o hasta que su caso haya sido solucionado.
Now, if you do violate the bond order and the court considers your contact intimidating or harassing, you could receive additional felony charges such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness. These type charges carry a punishment of up to 20 years in prison and $20,000 in fines.
Si usted infringe las condiciones de la orden de su fianza y este tribunal considera que el contacto fue intimidante o acosador, a usted se le podría imputar cargos adicionales por delitos graves como persecución ilícita con agravante o influenciar a un testigo. Este tipo de cargos conllevan un castigo de hasta 20 años de prisión y una multa de hasta $20,000.
Also, if your spouse, family member, or friend is the alleged victim in your case, he or she will not be allowed to post your bond, nor are you able to contact the victim while you're in jail.
Además, si su cónyuge, su pariente o un amigo es la presunta víctima en su caso, a él o a ella no se le va a permitir pagar la fianza por usted. Tampoco se le va a permitir ponerse en contacto, se le va a permitir a usted ponerse en contacto con la víctima mientras usted esté en la cárcel.
Also, if you are currently on active probation, this court is not authorized to set bond at this time. Whether a bond is appropriate in your case will be reconsidered after your probation officer has had an opportunity to consider your new arrest.
Además, si actualmente usted está bajo libertad condicional, a este tribunal no se le autoriza asignar una fianza en estos momentos. Si la fianza es apropiada en su caso, sería tomada en consideración nuevamente después que su agente de libertad condicional haya tenido la oportunidad de evaluar el nuevo arresto.
Now, the purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine whether there's enough evidence or probable cause to keep you detained on your charges. If you bond out, your preliminary hearing is automatically waived because you are out of jail and no longer detained.
El propósito de la audiencia preliminar es determinar si hay suficientes pruebas o motivo fundado para continuar con usted detenido por los cargos imputados. Si usted paga su fianza y sale, la audiencia preliminar se cancela automáticamente porque ya usted no se encuentra detenido.
It has come to our attention that the inmate families have been contacted by individuals claiming to be an employee of the jail, offering a pre-trial program in exchange for dismissal of all charges for a substantial fee. Please note that this is a scam and no such program exists in the jail.
Se nos ha informado que los familiares de los detenidos han sido contactados por individuos haciéndose pasar por empleado de la cárcel y ofreciendo un programa de resolución previa al juicio y desestimar los cargos si se paga una suma sustancial. Por favor, sepa que esto es una estafa y que tal programa de esta índole no existe en la cárcel.
All righty, and so I'm about to read the oath to you. If you understand and swear to it, please say I do. Go ahead and raise your right hands.
Estoy a punto de leerle el juramento. Si a usted así lo entiende y así lo jura, por favor, diga lo juro, levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm that the information that you're about to give this court, as well as the information you provided on your application for court-appointed counsel, is true and correct? If so, please state I do.
Jura usted y afirma que la información que usted está a punto de dar ante el tribunal, así como también la información suministrada en su solicitud para un abogado de oficio, es correcta y verdadera. Si así es, dígalo juro. I do swear. I do swear.
All righty, so I'm going to do Olvera first, because I have his done. Olvera.
Primero voy a hacer pasar a Olvera.
The other two have a seat.
All right, Mr. Olvera, you are charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $1,500.
Okay, señor Olvera, a usted se le imputa el cargo de invasión o daños a la propiedad. Esa fianza es de $1,500.
You are charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at $2,000.
Se le imputa el cargo de agresión física, violencia intrafamiliar. Esa fianza es de $2,000.
You are also charged with simple battery. That bond is set at $1,000.
También se le imputa el cargo de agresión física simple. Esa fianza es de $1,000.
And cruelty to children in the third degree, and that bond is set at $2,000.
Crueldad infantil en el tercer grado. Esa fianza es de $2,000.
For a total bond of $6,500.
Para una fianza total de $6,500.
You may not have any contact with Carrera Perez. That's I think it's Correa, Perez.
Usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con Carrera Pérez. Yo creo que es Correa.
All right, and then you may not return to 7735.
Y no puedes regresar a la 7735.
It's like LD 20 on Terra Boulevard.
El LD 20 en la Tara Boulevard.
Is that a Jonesboro home, sir?
¿Este hogar está en Jonesboro, señor?
No escucho bien.
I cannot hear you very well.
He can't hear me or you.
Usted no puede escuchar a la jueza o a la intérprete.
No, es que me falla un oído. Un oído me falla.
I have trouble with one ear.
Ask him, did he hear his bond amount?
¿Escuchó usted las cantidades de su fianza?
Sí. Sí.
Yes.
All right, did you hear who you have to stay away from?
¿Escuchó usted de quién tiene usted que mantenerse alejado?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, and did you hear the no return location?
¿Y escuchó usted la dirección del lugar al cual usted no puede regresar?
Poquito, sí, poquito.
Yes, just a little bit.
Do you reside, sir, at 7735 Terra Boulevard?
¿Reside usted en el lugar de la 7735 Tara Boulevard?
No.
No.
Where the incident occurred?
¿Ahí fue donde ocurrió el incidente?
Sí.
Yes.
Is that where Ms. Perez lives?
¿Y ahí es donde vive la señora Pérez?
Sí.
You
Yes.
can't go back there.
Usted no puede regresar a ese lugar.
Ok.
All right, I'm
Okay.
sorry. Ms. Thomas, I don't have the CAA forms.
Señora Thomas, yo no
Olivera?
tengo los formularios CAA.
What were you saying, Yate?
Mr. Oliveira,
None of them.
they were sent. Let
To
me
me?
check again.
Are you employed, sir?
¿Está usted trabajando, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
How much do you earn per month?
¿Cuánto gana usted por mes?
2000.
2,000.
Okay, I am going to appoint an attorney to you.
Yo le voy a asignar un abogado.
Yes, they were sent to the jail at,
I'm saying, so we haven't gotten them back?
let me check that again as well. Yes, because they were sent at 8:50 a.m.
No, I'm saying, did we get the completed ones? Deputy, do you know if they
Checking
were
now.
sent?
Yes, ma'am, they were sent.
Do you know about what time?
9:30.
I see something here from Joshua Jackson, but it will not open. I'm just trying to open it. It won't open. It says,
Yeah, so what happens is if they send it by web, then you have to go in on the web Outlook, open it up, but I was able to get it open.
all right, can you forward that to me?
It's on its way now.
All right, thank you. All righty. All right, the next one, I know we had, we just deliver,
Fire Javante.
and then, was that Magia?
You doing?
Let me see, Magia, let's see what Powell. Okay, all right, yes, can I get, Zuniga
Ah,
Mejia? Is that? how-
¿Puede venir Zúñiga Mejía?
All right, Mr. Mejia, you are charged. Are you Mr. Mejia?
¿Es usted el señor Mejía?
Sí.
Yes.
I can't see his face.
Yo no puedo ver su rostro.
Right, there we are. Okay. All right, you're charged with improper lane change. That bond is set at 500 and DUI 2,500 for a total bond of $3,000.
A usted se le imputa el cargo de cambio inapropiado de carril, esa fianza es de $500, de manejar bajo los efectos del alcohol, su fianza es de $2,500 para una fianza total de $3,000.
You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Usted no puede infringir ninguna de las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Pues yo le estoy programando su audiencia preliminar para el día 9 de septiembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
You bond out, you don't have to worry about it.
Y si usted paga su fianza y sale, no tiene que regresar a esa audiencia.
Are you employed, sir?
¿Está usted empleado, señor? Repita.
No escuché bien.
I couldn't hear you well.
All right. Can you ask him if he was employed? If he's employed?
¿Está usted trabajando?
Sí.
Yes.
And how much do you earn per month?
¿Y cuánto gana usted por mes?
Pues yo por mes diría de que por semana depende como 3,800 o 4,000, pues semana gano 1,000, hay veces 900, así pues depende.
It all depends. Sometimes a week I make 900, 800, so about 3,800.
All right, would you like me to appoint an attorney to you?
¿Le gustaría que yo le asigne un abogado?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, all righty.
Okay.
Any questions, sir?
¿Alguna pregunta, señor?
No, pues desde que me agarró no me he comunicado con mi manager del trabajo, pues yo trabajo en Brooks Landscape y no sé cómo hacer pues en ese caso.
Since I was detained, I have not been able to speak to my manager from work. And I work for Brooks Landscape, and I don't know how to go about that.
How to go about what? Getting bonded out?
O sea, ¿qué hacer al respecto? ¿Cómo pagar la fianza y salir?
Pues también de esposa de que hasta antier me contacté muy tarde me contacté y entonces no, pues de eso no, pues digo de que como ella me quiere asignar un abogado, ¿cómo puede ser en ese caso?
Until the day before yesterday, I was able to get in contact. But you said that you wanted to appoint an attorney. How do we do that?
Don't worry about that. I've already appointed an attorney. And so if you're still incarcerated, someone will reach out to you.
No se preocupe al respecto, ya yo le asigné un abogado, o sea que si usted todavía está encarcelado, alguien va a ir y se va a poner en contacto con usted.
Make sure the court has a good address for you to get your notice in the mail.
Y asegúrese que el tribunal tiene una dirección válida suya para usted que usted pueda recibir los citatorios por correo.
Any other questions, sir?
¿Alguna otra pregunta, señor?
Pago la fianza, o sea que ya puedo salir.
So if I pay the bond, can I be released?
Yes.
Ok, en ese
Sí.
caso mi esposa puede venir a pagar, quiero saber eso.
And in that case, can my wife come and make the payment? I want to know that.
Yes.
Sí.
Pero como que escuché como que mi esposa no puede venir a pagar, no sé por qué, no sé, pues teniendo la plata no se puede venir a pagar, no entiendo por qué. Sí,
And my wife cannot come and pay, and having the money she cannot pay, I don't understand.
She can come and she can pay. She can pay here or she can use a bonding company.
Ella puede venir y puede pagar. Ella puede venir y pagar acá o puede utilizar una compañía de fianzas.
por todo cuánto no, se me olvidó por todo cuánto debo por la fianza.
So the total, I forgot, what is the total for the bond?
3,000.
3,000.
Y 500, pagando 500 puedo salir, ya.
I'm paying 500, I could be released.
You have to pay the 3,000 if you're paying in cash plus any other fees. If you use a bonding company, whoever is bonding you out have to pay at least, it's about 15% of the bond amount.
Usted tiene que pagar los 3,000 más las tarifas de ley. Y si usted utiliza una compañía de fianzas, tiene que pagarles a ellos por lo menos a un 15% de la cantidad de la fianza.
Como 15% de...
Like 15%,
15% of the total bond.
15% de la cantidad total de la fianza.
¿Eso cuánto sería?
And how much will that be?
Just 15%, just probably about $500.
Solamente el 15%, probablemente alrededor de $500.
Oh, ok.
Right, good
Okay.
luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
Oh,
what was his last name? How do I was trying to look him up. I have the CAA form printed out.
I have them printed out. I'm attaching them, but it's MEJIA. But I'm
Okay,
doing them
thank
as I go. Right, and then we had Mr. Who's the last one?
luego
Carmona.
Tenemos al señor Carmona.
Yes. Right, hold on 1 second. I need to look at his history.
Un momento, necesito repasar su historial.
And this is today. All right. And Carmona is the last name? That is the last name?
Yes, ma'am.
¿Carmona es el apellido?
see, I'm gonna translate it.
I didn't need to translate.
Well, you don't need no translator, Your Honor. We speak
Oh,
English.
okay, but then Miss Bermudez, you're all good. You sure, sir? You don't need it, you
I'm sure.
understand English?
I do.
All right, Miss Bermudez, my apologies for today. I promise you it's been a very trying day.
They assume.
It's fine, Your Honor. You have a good day.
All righty, I'll see you tomorrow
Yes, ma'am.
at the meeting in the morning.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good
All right.
one.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
You were so surprised, right?
I was like, oh, he said it too clear. Yes, ma'am. I'm like,
And so, who is that, Attorney Johnson?
Yeah.
Attorney Johnson?
Press that button.
It's Attorney Hudson, Attorney Rosenblum, and Attorney,
Says Brandon George Johnson.
A la izquierda, allá abajo, está un 2.
Your Honor, that's Attorney Brandon Rosenblum for George Johnson.
Y ahí le van a.
Johnson, I knew that.
I knew you did.
All right, so if we can get, George Johnson next.
Con su mano así para atrás. Y si no le preguntan a alguien que habla español, ahí.
And that is,
Just sit right. El 4.
do you see a George Johnson on our list?
yes.
Wait a minute. George Johnson, I'm sorry, yes. Okay, we'll do him next. All right, Mr. Cameron, still looking for your criminal history.
Háganse para allá, háganse para allá.
Which for today.
Wow.
But can you look in the criminal history? Maybe I'm missing it.
George Johnson?
Yes,
No, on Carmona.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pónganse uno como para la derecha para que lo vea.
All right, are you Mr. George Johnson?
yes.
All right, you have counsel here on your behalf. Go ahead, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. Before you have George Henry Johnson III of Illinois, Chicago. He is employed at the Ashley Gables Buckhead as a maintenance engineer technician. That's also where he lives. He has 46 different certifications in maintenance and engineering, as well as a universal EPA certificate for refrigeration. He has 2 children, one 6-year-old, one 11-month-old who's just learning to walk. And he's looking to get back home to take care of his kids and get back to work as soon as possible. I believe this is a criminal trespass warrant. We would ask for as minimum a bond as possible to allow him to get back to work.
All righty. Right, and so, can you tell me who Ruby Brown is?
It is the ex-girlfriend of one of my former associates.
Okay. So I'm sorry, let me speak to counsel, and the counsel can direct the questions to you, Mr. George, Mr. Johnson. And so, does Mr. Johnson live at the incident location?
Mr. Johnson does not live at the incident location. He lives at the Ashby Apartments.
He doesn't live at 9003 Bentwood Lane.
Mr.
No.
Johnson?
No, I only temporarily stayed there in 2002 for about 2 months.
All right, so you can't go back to that location, okay?
I haven't been there in 3 years, ma'am.
But based on this, it says the incident location. Oh, this is the old warrant?
Yeah, it's an old warrant, Your Honor.
Okay.
And once Mr. Johnson became aware of the warrant, he retained our firm so that we could help him get this resolved as quickly as possible.
Okay, so I see he hasn't had any issues since 2006.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, that's good. All right. gonna give him a UJR,
Thank you, Your Honor.
signature bond. So, but sir, I still don't want you to have any contact with Rudy Brown, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know where Rudy Brown is?
I have no idea where she is, ma'am. Like I said, I haven't been in contact with those people in 3 years.
Okay, and deputy, if you could, have him sign a waiver, please?
I got
All
you,
right, sir.
Your Honor. The book right here.
All right, so, and what about, I see here that you have an attorney with you, so you should not need a court-appointed attorney, correct?
That's
Okay.
correct, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, you should be released at some time today, all right? Good luck to you,
Perfect.
Mr. George.
Ma'am.
I said you should be released sometime today, so good luck to you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Thank
All
you,
right.
Judge. That
Thank you.
completes my business for today.
Have a good one.
Have a good luck.
Yes,
Right up.
thank you.
You gonna do it? Oh, okay. Sorry. Yeah, I got the information out. Okay. Just give me a second. What's the information? Oh, right here. Oh, what's your last name?
Johnson.
Yeah. First name?
George.
George Johnson. Oh, who else you need, Johnson?
Oh, all right, and so let me give you the people that I have ready so that we can get through those and those can start going back.
Right.
And so, Mr. Hudson, who do you have?
Good morning, Your Honor. I got Kenneth Canyon Jr.
Say that-
Kenneth Canyon Jr.
Oh,
Last name is Cannon?
Annie.
Yeah, K-A-I-N-I-O-N.
Okay.
Yes, Your
Yeah,
Honor. Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. And so, all right, you can bring Mr. Cannon and you can also bring Harmony Carter and Darrell Dees.
Judge, this is
Harmony
Attorney Scott.
Carter and Darrell Dees.
Judge, this is Attorney Scott Smith. I'm sorry to interrupt. I have a funeral to attend that started at 1 o'clock.
Oh, no.
Yep, that's
Oh.
okay.
Who do you have?
Christopher
Ivy?
Ivy.
All right. If you can bring Mr. Ivy,
And Judge, please let my friend Scott Smith go before me.
yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
It's all good, Scott.
Appreciate you, man.
I'm
Always.
sorry, my condolences.
Okay.
Ivy.
Your Honor, I did find Cameron, Cameron, I found his, criminal history.
Mhm. And what's your name, sir? What's your name?
He's muted.
Oh, he's muted. I need Mr. Ivy. Are you Mr. Ivy?
Can you hear me now?
I said, are you Mr. Christopher Ivy?
No, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
Kenneth.
if I could please get Mr. Ivy next, we need to get counsel out.
Ivy. You got your one time. I mean. Sound right?
Mr. Ivy, you have your counsel president, Attorney Smith. Go ahead, Mr. Smith. What do you want to tell the court?
Judge, there's a lot to tell you. Number one, I'm good friends with his father, Charlie Ivy. He's 28 years old, born and raised in Georgia. I spoke to the alleged victim in the case. They do live together. They have no children together. He pays half the rent. She said it was the first time that they ever got into a physical altercation before. Pushing and shoving was mutual, is what she said. I recorded the conversation. She said she does wish to have contact with him in order to assist with the rent. Nonetheless, we were able to secure other residents should client need. He could live with his parents in Ellenwood. And he attended Morrow High School. He meets all the Ayala factors. But like I said, I did speak to the girlfriend, Miss Watley. She did indicate that she had some slight injury to her neck, but she said that the pushing and shoving was mutual. He left the scene. She said stop pushing and shoving. He did. He left the scene. He found out he had a warrant. He voluntarily surrendered yesterday.
Right. And so, counsel, let me tell you how the warrant reads. I'm not sure if you got a copy of the warrant. But
No.
the accused knowingly and intentionally began to strangle the victim, that's Ms. Watley, leaving red bruise marks on her neck. The victim stated that she could not breathe while Christopher was on top of her, strangling her. Christopher also drugged the victim by her hair from the living room to the bedroom and repeatedly hit her.
Yep, she says that she was pushing and shoving, he was pushing and shoving. She does say that he put his hands around her neck. When she said stop, he stopped immediately. That's when the fight broke up. That's what she told me on the phone. I FaceTimed her. I got verification that was her I was talking to. But she says that it was a big misunderstanding, first time in 5 years that they've been together, that they got into it like this. And the argument was over finances.
And these are some serious allegations, though, very serious allegations. All right, so looking at Mr. Ivy's criminal history.
Don't believe he has any violent arrests.
That is not.
2016, some time ago, but he had possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. Looks like that was dismissed. 2017, he had possession with the intent. That looks like that was dismissed. And then 2025 of this year, possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. He's out on bond on that one. With possession of drugs. But he's out on bond for possession of a firearm. So needless to say, he can't go back to that location. The 7135, the incident location. Needless to say, he cannot have any contact with Ms. Watley.
Okay.
Based on the allegations.
Okay, I'll let her know.
I initially put on here no bond. You said that you have secure somewhere, he has secure somewhere for himself to live.
Yes, Judge, I can give you the address.
Okay, what's that address?
2542 Berkshire Road.
Wait a minute, 2542 Berkshire?
Yeah, BURKSHIRE Road in Ellenwood. His
Who
parents live
resides there?
He and his parents.
How old is he?
He's 28 years old.
28.
May 1997.
All right. All right, Mr. Ivy,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
counsel has given me a little more background information. But just know, these are some very serious, allegations.
Yes, ma'am.
I had initially put on here that you got no bond. But I'm gonna take a chance on you since you have gotten some sort of other housing put in place. Also, because counsel has indicated that he has spoken with the victim who, for some reason, wants contact. But I'm gonna set your bond at $15,000. But you can't have any contact with Ms. Watley, nor can you go to that home. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
If you do go to that house or have any contact with her, you're gonna be rearrested and held without bond.
Okay.
All righty? All righty. And also, I don't want you having possession of a firearm.
No, I want that. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Putting that in your bond that you shall not possess a firearm.
Okay.
All righty. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks, counsel. My
Judge, thank you very
condolences.
much. Thank you, Jacoby, as well.
You
Thank
good,
you.
my friend? All right.
All right. And so, Mr. Hudson, you said you had,
Yes, I'm waiting. She ain't said.
who did you have?
Kenyon,
Mr. Hudson?
Kenneth Kenyon Jr.
Who?
Yes. Kenneth Kenyon Jr.
Kenneth. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. They don't have the junior, but okay. All right.
Okay.
Are you Mr. Cannon?
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. Counsel is here on your behalf. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, my client is 25 years old. Present in the office, Your Honor, as you can see, is his mother, Miss Kim Canyon, and Kenneth Canyon, Senior. Your Honor, he stays on
Good day
my
to
office on
y'all.
Cass. Just a good day. Those she good people.
Hello.
All right. So look, my office on Cascade, Judge. He lives on Cascade Circle, which is about 5 minutes down the street. Your Honor, he has no criminal history. He door dashes for a living. He graduated from Alabama A&M with a marketing degree as well, Judge. Also, he was a walk-on football player. Judge, I believe this is actual first arrest. I'm not getting into the facts of the case because I really don't know them as well without the warrant and the police report. But we'll assume that proper cause is established by warrant. But Judge, I'm gonna ask for a good bond given the situation, and Your Honor, he can stay away from any incident location. And I don't believe an actual weapon was involved, Judge. We'll deal with that later. But based on his criminal history, his ties to the community, Judge, and the fact that he's not a threat to person, places, or property, he meets all the y'all factors. I'm asking for a lowest bond at the discretion of the court.
All right. So, Yate, can you look and see what page his criminal history is on?
For Cannon?
For Mr. Cannon, yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Looks like it skips him in the, I don't see it. All right, so let me read the allegation to you, since you said you didn't have the warrant. It said, did commit the act of aggravated assault in that the defendant did unlawfully make an assault upon the person Dante Allison with a pocket knife that was black and blue in color. An object, when used offensively against a person, is likely to or actually does result in bodily injury. The offender took the knife out during the argument and lunged at Dante, causing a laceration to his right wrist. The argument started over the offender. Kenneth did not want Dante driving his vehicle. The verbal altercation escalated outside the residence. And so, counsel, who is Dante Allison to him? Do you know?
Your Honor, I believe that's the child's father to his girlfriend.
His girlfriend's child's father?
Yes, yes.
Why would he be driving his car?
I don't even know, Judge, and that's the question that Mr. Cannon had posed. And his parents in my office, Your Honor, they was filling me in on it from yesterday. So, Judge, they can answer any questions if you have any questions for them as well. But I do know he has
How does he
zero
know?
criminal history.
So, Dante Allison, how does he know this person again? You said this is his girlfriend's baby father?
Child's father, yes. Okay. Well, someone he was in a relationship with, Your Honor.
And that's the baby's child's father that wanted to borrow the car.
That's what, yes, Your Honor. And my client is not in the affirmative. I think that's what his parents told me as well, Judge.
All right. I really need to confirm that he has no criminal history.
Okay.
Maybe it's just out of order. Hold on.
I need to run. Okay. Next one.
Have you been able to find it, Yate?
Yes, Your Honor. It's page 32 from the criminal histories that was sent on the 12th of part 1.
Well, okay. All right. So
Go there. You look at that, go over there,
Yesterday, all right, you say part one, and what page? What page did you say? Yeah, I have it. Okay, yeah, he has no criminal history. Um, This happened at this says, whose house is this?
Okay, it was at the child's father's home, Judge. It wasn't, yes. So he can stay
Miss-
away from that incident location.
Yeah, so he can't go back to that 201 Chase Lake Drive.
And he lives at 5140 Cascade Hill Circle in Atlanta, Georgia. So he
Okay.
has no reason being over there, Judge.
He certainly does not, and is prohibited from doing so going forward. Um, I had initially had him as no bond.
I need you back upstairs. What's your flag?
Okay. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. On the aggravated assault,
You sure?
gonna do 8,000. And on the weapon charge, I'm gonna do 2,000 for a total bond of 10,000.
Thank you, Your Honor. And I'm assuming he can, his parents, they can definitely make it, make the bond. So he'll be waiving his preliminary hearing.
Okay.
Okay, do me a favor.
And so Deputy, if you would allow him to waive that preliminary hearing, please. Anything further, counsel?
No, Judge, it's always a pleasure, and thank you as well.
Good to see you. Thank you. Thank you, parents. All right, Mr. Cannon, I see here you got some good parents
Yes.
trying to be there for you. Stay out of situations like this, all right? Seems like you come from a good home. You don't have any criminal history. Don't start now.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, good luck to you.
All right.
All righty. All right, so can I get Harmony Carter and Dees, DEAS? Carter, Dees. Ready for Bussy?
You want them at the same time?
No, I'm just telling you so you can start grabbing them.
Okay.
All right, so who do I have here? Your Harmony? All right, Ms. Harmony, you're charged with simple battery. That bond is set at $1,500. You cannot have any contact with the victim, Asawane White. Yes, you can't have any contact with Miss White. And you may not return to 2096 Banks Way in Atlanta, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And are you employed, ma'am?
Say it again.
Are you employed?
I have a job.
Okay, how much do you earn per month?
They got still different, right? 68.
Say that again.
600.
How much do you earn?
600.
600? All right, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. Whatever you do, you are to not have any contact with the victim or go back to that location. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And your preliminary hearing again is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Can I get a signature bond?
We're on yesterday's. Probably not, but let me check in. That's Carter.
He came over here. He came over here. He was down there.
Carter. Don't have criminal history, but
Where does he go? Yeah, where did he pick you up from?
who is this victim? Who is the miss? Who is that? Your sister, sibling, or somebody?
14. Yeah. That's
Who is she?
My dad's home. Get on the
Yeah,
first.
who?
My little sister.
Oh, this is your sister.
Yes, I know. You can make, well, you gonna do better.
All right, I'm gonna change. Who all resides in that home?
The 2096, it's Mark, I don't has no, Mark is, his last name.
Oh, no. Okay, who lives in the house with you?
It's my mom, her boyfriend, my two little sisters, and my son and his daughter.
Your son and his,
The man, the first the ones are Marcus, and it's him and his daughter, my mom, my two little sister, and my son.
how old is your son?
He's 7 months.
All right, I'm gonna change this to no violent or harassing contact with Miss White, your sister. I'm telling you, don't. If you come back, you're not gonna get a bond at all because you would be in violation. I'm gonna let you go back to the house. But if the authorities are called again because of some acts like this, then you're gonna be, not only you gonna get new charges, but then you're also gonna be held without bond, okay? You don't want that, right? I'm taking a chance on you. Go take care of that baby, do what you gotta do. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you. So again, you can return to that house, but you can't have any violent or
I'd
contact.
rather not return back to the house.
You say you're not?
I'd rather not return back to the house.
Okay, but that's up to you, but I'm not telling you that you can't. All righty? Just, it sounds like it's a lot of people. It's a lot going on in there, so you may need to get you and your son somewhere different. All right, good luck to you, ma'am. All right, who else do we have ready to come up? Do we have
Yeah.
Bussy,
Butsy.
Finnick, Hicks?
You got mail there? I'm doing food. Okay. Butsy. Yeah, Butsy, but booty.
Handy, Hicks?
My fault. I thought it was, it's gonna be on.
Who is she?
So give me your last name.
Bowie. Mr. Bowie. Do you mean Bussy?
No, Bowie, B-O-U-I-E.
Yeah. Bouie. And that's
Latoya
on
Bowie?
today's.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ms. Bryant.
Bowie was from the 12th, Your Honor.
Yeah, Ms. Cruz.
It says the 13th, her name is on here.
It was on the 12 committals that was moved to the 13th, but she was the first stack that was emailed over to you.
I have in my notes that I don't have a bond order for her, but hold on.
I thought that's what she called.
Okay, I'm not ready for her. I don't see her stuff. You have to put her back for a minute.
Sit down, y'all sit down. What about Miss Arnold?
Miss who?
Miss Arnold.
Arnold? All right, I'll take Miss Arnold.
And Your Honor, she was page 1 on the email that was sent to you yesterday.
All right, how are you doing today, Miss Arnold?
All right.
Mm. All right, Ms. Honor, you're charged with a stop sign violation. That bond is set at 500, obstruction, 500, and then battery on an officer. 1,500 for a total bond of $2,500. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You understand your bond?
Yes, ma'am.
It appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you. I'm setting your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Thank you.
But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Any questions, sir, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, who do you have next? I'm ready on Fennick and Hicks.
Oh.
And Handy. What's your name?
Bethany Bryant,
Bryant?
yes.
Yes.
All right, Miss Bryant, you are charged with criminal damage in the second degree and criminal trespass. Trying to look at your criminal history. All right, I see you have something in 2022. One of them was dismissed. No, it was dismissed. The allegation is that you damaged. You damaged the flower pot. And so the victim is your husband?
Yes,
How long have y'all been married?
2 years.
How long have y'all been living together?
For 2 years, yeah, a little over 2 years, 2.5 years.
Is this the first time something like this has happened?
Mm, No,
Mm.
not me breaking stuff like that. Yeah, that's the first time, but us having these altercations, I call the cops a lot because he withholds my keys from me. And they told me to stop calling.
All right, so you're gonna have to find somewhere else to live. Do y'all have kids that reside there?
He has a daughter.
All right, you can't go, that darn it. You can't go back to 2046. Was that Cooper Way?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot return to that location. And is that considered, what city is that considered? It's not on the warrant. Is that considered Jonesboro?
Yes, sir.
All right, and you may not have any contact with Mr. Is it Matthew Fears?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can't have any contact with Matthew Fears. Seems like this is what needed to happen anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
And not your arrest, but
That's
separation
Yes, ma'am.
before things really get out of hand. Also, you're charged with throwing a brick through his windshield. Yeah, it's time for y'all to separate. This is too much.
Yes,
Because you don't have a criminal history, but now you're looking at a possible felony conviction.
Yes.
Yeah, that's your decision though. All right, the criminal trespass of the flower pot, I'm just gonna do that for 100. But the windshield, I'm gonna do that at 2,000 for a total bond of $2,100. But don't go back to the Copper Way location and do not have any contact with him. Let me see about a court-appointed attorney. I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
That's the back door. I got Mr. Philip Young.
Who?
Right, Kayla.
What's your name?
Michael Finnick.
All right, Mr. Bennett. Mr. Bennett, you are charged with criminal trespass. That bond is set at $1,500. Battery, family violence, $2,000 for a total bond of $3,500. You must stay away from Crystal Glen. And you may not return to 793 Overlook Terrace in Atlanta, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. Do you understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond? You understand the charges and the special conditions of your bond?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, are you employed?
No, ma'am.
No,
Why not?
I know I called you. Wow.
Before I'm in drug court. So
Oh, okay,
we couldn't get no job until we got in the next phase. So I just
okay.
got it.
Well, this can't be helping your drug court.
I
process.
know. Yeah, I know. I've been doing good and but
Okay.
it was her fault, really. It wasn't my fault.
No, it's your fault because you're in this situation. So can't blame other people when you're in situations like this. But anyway, good luck to you, sir. Have a
Thank
great
you.
one.
You
All
said
right.
3,500?
It is $3,500. Yes, sir.
Huh?
All right, who's
They had to
next?
send, who you ready for? They had to send it back down, come back up.
What about Mr. Hicks? I'm ready on him. What about Handy? I don't know if is that a female?
That's a
Yes.
female.
Hits is Jadion, let me see.
And then also Johnson Dayla, I think that's a female. I'm ready for her.
Hey, this is awesome.
All right, Miss Handy.
Yes.
All right, you're charged with criminal trespass.
Yes.
All right, and so Miss Handy, are you a landlord or do you reside in this home as well?
No, I'm a landlord.
Okay, so you do know that there's a proper process for this, right?
Yes, I've learned since then. However, we had a verbal agreement. We had it through text message that he would move out. I had came the day before and he said that, the next day he would have the funds. So I came the next morning at 8 a.m. And then when I came, he had the police there. So it was, we had like a verbal agreement, everything. I'm sorry, we had a verbal agreement and an agreement through text for him to move. So it was no pressure. Like I came in with the key. Everything was fine. Like I was shocked when the police actually even showed up,
All right, so because of that, I did not put it where you can't go back, but you can't have any harassing or violent contact with him.
Yes, that's fine.
What is it?
And so you just need to go through the proper
Eviction.
procedure.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And I appreciate that.
Well, I'm not gonna see it showing forward.
Righty, and so no violent or harassing contact. I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th. Your bond is at 2,000, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Actually, I'm gonna give you a UJR, so you'll be released today, but don't disappoint me.
I will not. I won't.
All righty, so you'll
appreciate
be released sometime today.
For issues.
Yep.
No, thank you very much.
This brought on way more issues than you had before,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, all righty. And as far as a court appointed attorney, do you need one? Let's see.
You need a court
Are you
appointment?
employed?
Oh, yeah. Do I need one?
I said, are you employed?
No. Unbelievable. Just so that I'm clear, you said September 9th?
It's September 9th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay, then no.
But I am going to appoint an attorney to you. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, I appreciate it. So you said, I'm gonna,
You'll be released today once the paperwork get over there and process.
We'll give me your last name. Give me your last name.
Johnson?
All right, Ms. Johnson. What's your first name? Dayla? Dayla?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Ms. Johnson, you're charged with criminal trespass.
Yes, ma'am.
I see your bond at $1,500.
Shit like this.
Now who is Jaquan Hall?
My ex-partner,
I'm sorry?
my ex-partner,
Why you saying ex?
because we broke up before I got arrested.
All righty. Do y'all reside together?
I just currently moved out.
All right, yes, because I've taken you out of that home. You may not return to that 2445 Rex Road. And that's Ellenwood. Cannot return to that location. And you can't have any contact with. What is her name? Jaquan Hall. You understand that?
I do. Yes, ma'am, I do.
All righty. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And are you employed, ma'am?
Not at the moment, no, ma'am.
Why not? Why not?
Actually, I did recently just gotten a job as a CNA for a mental health facility that deals with autistic children.
All right, but you don't have it yet. You don't have that job yet.
I'm still in the
No.
process of getting it. Before I had got locked up, which is the reason I went over to 20, what is it called? The reason why I went over there is to retrieve my wallet.
Oh, okay.
And
All right, well, you can't go back. Hopefully you have your wallet and good luck to you on your new potential job, all right?
thank you.
All right. All right, Deputy, who you have next?
It's Cruz, right? Miss Cruz?
Say that again. Miss who?
Miss Cruz?
Cruz?
Yes,
Oh, Miss Cruz, okay. Hold on.
Right now. Last time.
We done. You got some more people to see?
And she, then that's it.
All right, Miss Cruz. And this is one from today. Hold on.
He had one that was sent on the 12th, and then they sent the additional today. Because we only had one charge on there originally.
Mm, all right, I'm trying to find her criminal history. Cruz, all right. Cruz, you're no stranger. But it looked like the last time you had some issues was 2013.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty, so you're charged with apprehension of a hindering apprehension of a criminal, abating, escape, and obstruction of an officer. Yeah, that wasn't worth it, was it?
No, ma'am.
Right. Apprehension, hindering the apprehension of a individual. I'm gonna set that at 2,000. Abating this escape 3,000. Obstruction 2,000 for a total bond of $7,000.
Okay.
I'm setting your preliminary hearing for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thanks.
Are you ready for Bowie yet, Your Honor?
Hold on, let me finish this one.
Just put on the side.
Am I ready for Bowie? Do you, Doctor, I see her warrant. Do you see her? I don't see her bond order.
She's page 1 on the first paperwork I sent yesterday. For the first appearance paperwork sent yesterday, she's page 1.
Hold on, I can get ready for her. 1 second. All right. All right. Yeah, go ahead and bring Ms. Bowie. Bowie, you are charged with loitering and prowling. I've set that bond at $1,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. And you can't go back to that location. Hold on. Who resides there? Do you know the person that resides there, ma'am? That location? Miss Bowie, do you know who reside at that location? Not at all?
I know it's right, Miss Brooks, I know all that.
Hold on.
Your Honor, look like the camera went out.
No, I had to, turn it up for a second.
Oh, my apologies.
All right, it said attempted to find a way into 200 Lee Street by a window.
I wasn't trying, and I asked him, when to get my message, that's all I did and walked away.
Okay. So you don't reside there, right?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you cannot return to that location. It's not the full address, but, Fayetteville Road. And Dixon Street. Address is 200 Lee Street. Do you know what, I guess I'm gonna presume it's Jonesboro. All right, so I'm appointing an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Any questions, ma'am? Your bond again is $1,000.
Is there with that, OR bond or signature bond? It said that.
Say that again?
Is there a way that I can get an OR bond or a signature bond?
Had a criminal trespass last year. And does she have another warrant? I just see loitering and prowling, but on her criminal history, I see burglary.
No, that's.
It's not over with on this. So no, I can't give you a signature bond, all right?
I just served that.
You'll have to bond out, ma'am, you'll have to bond out. Good luck to you.
I mean, I got the money, I'm not worried.
How you run? Who you like next?
All righty, and so if you can give me Jeremiah Johnson, Douglas Millhouse.
Millhouse Johnson.
Yep, I'm ready for those two.
Okay, we still have 3 females left. You wanna finish? You gonna do the females last after you do them?
Hold on, let me pull these females. All right, who are the females we have left?
Jackson, Reese, and Murphy.
Jackson. Reese.
And Murphy.
All right, I have Jackson right here. Can you Jackson? I have Murphy. And I have Reese. Jackson, you are charged with driving on suspended license.
Yes, ma'am.
Trying to look at your criminal history really quickly. All right, your bond is set at $1,500. I'm gonna go ahead and release you. Don't stop driving if you don't have a license, okay? It's gonna keep coming here. And it's gonna keep suspending your license more the more you drive.
Okay.
Jackson. And you're Demetria.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And if you can, Deputy, if you could get her a waiver, please.
Okay, we got it right now. Go on.
And say wait.
Excellent.
And then you are not employed?
No,
Why not?
I'm just currently in between jobs right now.
Okay, I'm appointing an attorney to you. Good luck. You'll be released sometime today. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You have a great.
Thank you. You too. Which one you giving me? Go ahead and give me, Ms. Murphy first.
Murphy. Oh. Actually, not last, she got. Up to one thing possible.
All right, Ms. Murphy, you are charged with simple assault.
You can leave it. You want to come back.
Hold on.
No.
This is- All right, Ms. Murphy.
When we went back.
Like you really don't have a criminal history. All right, you're charged with simple assault. The allegation is that you had I guess, possession of a gun, excuse me, a knife while in a verbal altercation. Who is Keisha Wright? Who is that?
That must be the lady. The reason why I had possession of a knife and some mace, I'm a licensed security officer. And I had it in my pocketbook. I was pulling into the parking lot. She was standing in between both of the lines and I beat my horn at her and I wind down the window and I asked her, can she please move up a little bit so I can finish pulling in the parking lot? And she said, B, you don't know how to drive. And I asked her, what did she say? Because I didn't hear her. She said, B, you don't know how to drive. By the time I went to go get out my vehicle, on the other side, the lady was assaulting my daughter, had her hands all up in my daughter's face. I asked the officers that came out to review the cameras and I explained why I had the mace and knife. I'm a licensed security officer. I work 7 days a week. We deal with mental patients. We deal with drug addicts. So I keep that inside of my pocketbook. I never took it out and said, I'm gonna stab you up, I'm gonna make sure. I never did none of that.
They know the knife was in your stuff.
Say that again, ma'am.
How did they know you had a knife?
You say, because you can see it is right in the top of my pocketbook. I have a lot of stuff in my pocket, you can see it. And they asked me and I told them the truth. I said, yes, I have it. I explained to them, I said, yes, I have it in my pocketbook. I explained to them that I do security and the reason why I have it.
All right. And so I'm just gonna set your bond at $100, okay?
Is it a way it's $100? Yeah.
And I'm gonna set your preliminary hearing for September the 8th, September the 9th at 8:30 a.m.
So it's just straight $100, right?
Yes, unfortunately, on a violent offense like this, I can't do a UJR or signature bond, but I can set a low bond for you.
But I wasn't being, if they had.
I know, but I'm gonna also appoint you an attorney so you can get all that worked out with your attorney, okay?
All right.
I'm gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you.
$100.
Straight $100.
$100.
Okay.
It's $100, all right?
Okay. You have a good day, Darren.
All right, good luck to you. Now, hold on 1 second for me. They got my belongings. She's happy to do it. It's under.
She left. Where'd she go? Ain't nobody gonna say that, man.
All righty. Who do we have next? Ms. Reese?
Reese. Last week.
All right, Ms. Reese, you are charged with burglary, obstruction, giving false name, and criminal trespass. Got quite a bit of a history here. All right, on the burglary, that bond is set at 5,000, obstruction 1,000, giving false name 1,500, and criminal trespass 2,000 for a total bond of $9,500. If I added that properly, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9,500. You may not return to that location. 143 North Avenue. I'm not sure. I guess it's Jonesboro. I am going to appoint an attorney to you. You have any questions, ma'am? You have any questions? No? All righty, good luck to you. All right, what's your name? You're muted. All right, you're still muted.
Saisha Neely.
Neely, all right. All right, Ms. Neely, you are charged of violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Possession of crack cocaine. Ma'am, would you like to be referred to the drug program?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, no, man, well, last week. I don't know. I think so.
All right, I'm gonna appoint an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is gonna be September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. All righty, so in reference to the violation of Georgia controlled substance, I've set that bond at 2,000, drug-related item 500, driving on suspended license 1,500, brake light violation 500, for a total bond of $4,500. If you bond out, you don't have to worry about that court date.
I was driving somebody else's car, like, I didn't even know my own license was suspended.
She was nothing, the cleaning part. She gotta go. She gotta go.
That it was suspended for failure to appear back in 2023.
Right, but I didn't know that, I done, man, I still didn't know that. What you saying, like, I still got my car.
Don't you can't drive until you get that taken care of. So your bond is $4,500. I will recommend you to the to the drug court, all right? Good luck to you, ma'am.
All right, Captain.
All right, who's next?
We got Johnson, Jeremiah. Jeremiah and.
You mean Johnson, Jeremiah Johnson? Jeremiah Johnson?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Mr. Johnson, you're charged with giving inmate guns or drugs or alcohol. That bond is set at 4,000. Violation of Georgia controlled substance, 3,000, for a total bond of $7,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for September 8th at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All righty, good luck to you.
Let's go. What, she a female, she wants to know, no, she's fine. Go sit down. Go sit down. Get a train, right here. Get a train to come over and friends. But, I don't know.
Hold on one second.
No, that's table for you.
The cell phone, stop right here, they in the house. Go out. Bam.
All right, what's your name, sir?
Douglas
Last name is what?
Millhouse.
Millhouse, all right.
And behind that, on the right hand side.
All right, that Johnson come out. You want it? Right, all in the city, though.
All right, Mr. Millhouse, you are charged with driving with no insurance.
Johnson, where you at?
That bond is set at 1,000, concealing the ID of a motor vehicle 500, driving on suspended license 1,000,
I'm gonna get you, man.
expired tag 500, improper tag 500, defective equipment 500, for a total bond of $4,000. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for September the 9th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
I found it out, Tuesday.
You say you already bonded out?
Yeah.
Okay. I am gonna go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Am I able to get a signature bond or not?
You said you already bonded out.
You're right. When you all ready for? Oh, they just, it's a waiting process. They got you. You go. You out. All right. What are you ready for? Huh? What?
All righty.
What ball you?
Just bring them now.
You good?
Well, all right, give me Nunnally and Hicks. Sheeler.
I got you. I guess my first day, but it's going out to the camera.
And a uniform pick so you get down here.
This time I don't know you're going out. What the five?
Right in front of the camera, son.
I said, make sure you sit.
What's your name?
Hicks.
You are Mr. Hicks. All right, Mr. Hicks, you're charged with robbery. I've denied your bond. You have a history of violence. I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
We'll call you. What housing in? Oh. Yes, down. Go back.
What's your name, sir?
Name it Evans.
5,000.
When you get your board, ex-officer in the power.
All right, Mr. Evans, you're charged with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counts of disorderly conduct.
And then you got to come there, go to the fix. You say you in politics, right?
I've been dealing with some unruly children, and I've been dealing with DCF with them. And I've been my 16-year-old, she done jumped on me twice, and I've been my baby mama been talking to authorities trying to get some help, and it was a miscommunication yesterday, and officer thought that I started and said I was cussing at my
Of a
kids.
child that fights you?
Yes, ma'am. She got a case right now in Clayton County and Macon. And I've been trying to seek help because my children been, my biological children, they've been cussing their mom out, calling up the B word.
I don't know what this world has come to.
Yeah, and then yesterday when I came by out the store, they were sitting there cussing at their mom. And I was telling them, hey, y'all can't be doing that. And, you know, I did cuss, but I didn't know that was no law in Georgia because I'm from Florida. And they got out and they followed their mom in the store. And my second daughter fought her auntie and her mom. And, you know, they want to live with their grandparents and stuff. So they've been acting out and stuff. I didn't know it.
So let me see. You had something in 2010, 2012. (2013). So you haven't had anything in.
I've been working. I work 2 jobs right now. I was supposed to be to work last night. Moving to Weather County.
All right, and so
staying out of trouble. I ain't been getting in no trouble.
Calling the children bitches, that's not how to resolve it.
No, I didn't call them no bitches though. I don't know where you get that from. Never.
Do you reside in the home with these children?
Right. The kids with mom, and at the moment I'm homeless. Mom been living with friend. I'm actually not in the home with the children.
All right, who lives in this 6365 Highway 85?
That might be the auntie address.
Okay, you can't go back to that location.
Yes, man. I ain't never even been at that location. I don't even know where they get that from. Like I say, I'm moving. I got a lease already for 22 Forest Circle in Noonan, Georgia for the 29th. And then when I talked to mom last night, she said she let the kids go with the grandparents. Since this is the reason why they been acting out. And I never called now one of my
Okay. And so I am going to charge you only with one disorderly conduct.
Appreciate that.
But if you can't control the kids, obviously you can't, then you need to,
No, they
I
already.
don't know, stay away because you're gonna keep getting I'm setting your preliminary, hold on, I'm setting your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But you don't need to have any more contact with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Seems like they need some help, some therapy.
Yeah, they went with their grandparents in Macon, Georgia, so they're not even in Clayton County. What about you? Are you gonna do me a signature on RR? I need to. I got to.
All righty, and I am going to also appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Next man, just step up. What's your name? Evans.
Hold on.
All the way down to the elevator.
All right, what's your name?
Terrell Diaz.
DEAS?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you are charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. I'll set that bond at 2,000. Obstruction 1,000, crossing the roadway 500 for a total bond of $3,500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all slide down again, but y'all slide down. You slide. Oh no, hey, you should tell me, you go first. There we go.
Did you have a long criminal history?
The drug history, ma'am. I need rehab.
I was about to ask you, I'm gonna refer you to the drug court. All right, all right. I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you.
Daniel, right?
Again, your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Somebody will reach out to you about the program, okay?
Yes, ma'am. You said the
Okay.
bond,
It's
total.
3,500.
Thank you.
All right, good luck to you.
How's unit four?
All right, what's your name, sir?
Alex Atkins.
Atkins?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Atkins, you're charged with improper lane change, violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. Do you need to go in the drug program, sir?
I don't think so. No, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am. I had 2 jobs.
I'm gonna set your preliminary hearing for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Alrighty, and so violation, improper lane change is 500. Georgia Violation Control Substance Act is 2,000. Use and possession of drug-related items, 500, for a total bond of $3,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Good luck to you, sir.
Awesome.
All right, sir, what's your name?
There's blessing.
All right, Mr. Bessie. You're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. That bond is set at 2,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date. September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. If you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. No, I'm sorry, September the 8th. You bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Good luck to you, sir.
Good afternoon.
Hi.
You doing?
What's your name?
I'm Garrett Daniels.
You say Daniels?
I'm Garrett Daniels.
Mhm. All right, Mr. Daniels, you are charged with serious injury by vehicle. You need to look at your criminal history.
Can I tell you one thing?
Sure.
Okay. So I'm a box truck driver. I came home at 8 o'clock, 8:15. My neighbor called me prior for me coming home, told me that he see my front door open, and my car is missing. I have a box truck, so as I backed in, I go to the front door and I'm like, I don't know if anyone's still in my house or not. So I called the police and made a police report. They came out to my house and did a walkthrough before I went in the house. They walked through and told me that my house was burglarized. So they told me to write down the things that was missing. My car was missing, my gun was missing out of my house. I have $700 in my drawer was missing. And I have a Cuban link diamond necklace that was missing out of my house. So after they go outside and I guess do their report and things like that, they come back inside and tell me that I'm lying and things like that. So that's how they charge me for well, I made bond the other day. So as I'm making bond getting out, I noticed there's 2 more other charges. They told me that my vehicle was involved in a car accident. They said a child was hurt bad or something like that. But ma'am, I'm calling for help. I was calling for help to make a police report. My car was being missing. Car was being stolen. So I'm the victim in this case. They were treating me like a suspect and just throw all these random charges on me for no reason. I'm missing work. I'm supposed to be on the road right now.
All right, so it says that you willfully and knowingly provided or caused to be provided a false report of a crime. You attempted to report a burglary at your residence. and claim that your vehicle was stolen as well as your firearm. Upon further investigation, it was determined that your vehicle was in an accident on 8/9. And witnesses at the scene reported observing the male matching your description, speaking to the occupants before fleeing on foot. The firearm that Daniels attempted to report stolen was located inside the vehicle of the accident scene.
Not true, man. I'm sitting like to you.
Um,
And I have the paper, I have the proof in my truck that showed that I just came from North Carolina. The officer seen my truck showing me it's coming from North Carolina. Got home at Sunday, 8 o'clock. I thought my witness is supposed to be here on a Zoom call. I don't know, it's supposed to maybe come to the first. So after I get out, I still have the files and my car is stolen still. I wasn't able to lock my door. My door is off the hinges still. My house is still burglarized right now. Still, I wasn't able to make anything because they locked me up right after.
Yeah, 25, medical 25.
My uncle, when I was gone, when I was arrested, the first charge, my uncle went to my house and put a deadbolt lock on my door because my door was still wide open. The police just left my door wide open. I had a friend across the street, the same witness, my friend was supposed to watch my house. He didn't, I didn't want him in my house at the time. I'm not gonna lie to you. I didn't want him. So my uncle came over there and put a deadlock over there. Everything in my house is still just torn all apart. Everything is torn all apart. I didn't get to make my rentals insurance claim. I didn't get to call my insurance lady, man. Because they just say I was lying and arrested me. This is my house, this is my car, this is my gun, everything is in my name. I wouldn't jeopardize my freedom.
I'm learning. Yeah. What camera? I'm trying to get us some food. Huh? Give me some food. I had no food. I ain't even eat breakfast. I can't even work out. I gotta get my workout back home. I see it's on your show. On your show what it. It ain't on, it's in. That's why I'm very college going to run. In my life, my country. Yeah. He said, both trying to find when he started giggling. Yeah, I think he's gonna be smooth. I was like, Chief Johnson gave him. He said he was giving out ice. Nobody, I was probably, only thing he's sleeping.
Right.
And we have no problem with it. We him gonna go ahead. Oh, yeah.
You have a significant, you've had some history in the past.
I don't have no felonies, man. No felonies. I don't miss things.
What do you mean you have no felonies?
I don't have no prior felonies on my record.
Eric.
I'm a junior about the junior.
Because we don't want them to snatch all up. You have to let you out of state.
Right.
Mhm. I don't even see you. Doctor, can you please check? I cannot find his criminal history.
Name was Garrett Gaylord Daniels.
Yes, Your Honor, and the last name again, Your Honor?
Daniels, first name is Garrett. I see Michael Daniels, but I don't see Garrett Daniels.
Garrett Daniels. Okay, Your Honor.
I'm able to take a junior in because I'm a junior, by the way.
I can't tell about that right now. I literally.
She's not on today's. Maybe it was on last week. Yesterday's.
Yeah, let me talk to him now.
That was your boy, didn't you? Share send them make you okay. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Can I sit down?
Right. Can you hold him? I can't locate his criminal history. I need his criminal history. Can I get Sheeler? Brandon Sheeler?
Hey, you want me to go to the back of the line?
Yes, please. Can I get Brandon Sheeler?
Brandon.
Either Shane Mitchell?
Mitchell?
Shane Mitchell? But what about Sheeler? Brandon Sheeler?
Hold on, y'all, let me check.
It may work.
Hey, Dave. Come here. Go for it. Yes. Yeah, I know. You know.
Who's your dad?
Hey, what's your name, sir?
It's Brandon Charles Sheeler.
All right, Mr. Sheeler, you're charged with battery.
Yes, ma'am.
And I have dismissed that charge. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, go ahead.
Does
Thank you.
that mean I leave today, ma'am?
I don't know what you have going on, but if you don't have anything else, yes.
Where you get her from? Intake? Oh, intake. Okay.
And what's your name?
Shane Mitchell.
Mr. Mitchell, you are charged with disorderly conduct. I've set that bond at $2,500. The battery, I have dismissed, and the terroristic threats, I dismissed. But you have to stay away from Kamari Hugh, and you may not return to 1000 South Lake Circle. What is that? What is that in?
That is South Lake Mall. that is my old place of employment, but I can definitely understand not returning there.
Definitely can't return there.
Okay.
And so I guess you're unemployed now, so I am going to appoint you an attorney.
Okay.
In case you, your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Again, your bond is set at $2,500. Don't go back there, sir.
Okay, I will. Can I bond out like right now?
And bond out as soon as the paperwork is processed.
Okay.
All righty, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
What about Jeremiah Shockley? I never saw Nunnally.
You never saw who, Your Honor?
Nunnally, I had him ready. Nunnally.
Nunley. Nunley.
Bring whoever you have, just bring them.
Okay, we have Shockley and then Nunley.
Okay.
Your Honor, I don't even see a Daniel Garrett on the jail list. So, and I don't see any paperwork criminal history for Garrett, but I don't see him on the list either.
The last name is Daniels.
Garrett Daniels, correct?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't even see a Garrett Daniels on the jail list as well.
I have his
But you do have
paperwork.
this paperwork.
I do.
Okay,
So we need to get that criminal history.
understood.
All right. All right, who do I have in front of me?
Ryan Shockley, Judge.
All right, Mr. Shockley, you are charged with theft by shoplifting. That bond is set at $1,500. You may not return to that Kroger. And that's on Jonesboro Road, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set that preliminary hearing date for September the 8th, the September the 9th. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. Here that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney. So I am appointing one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
I'll give you your last name. Give me your last name.
Nunnally.
We're gonna stand right there by the door. That's the door. You're gonna open it. You don't want.
All right, Mr. Nunley, you charged with forgery in the 4th degree. That bond is set at $3,500. You must stay away from Atlanta check cashers, and that's on 1066 Main Street, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I have appointed one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Sir, come on. You ain't got no more? Shh. Hey, shh. Give me your last name, sir.
Ma'am, last name's Daniel.
Last name is Daniel. Mhm.
Daniel was sent today separate from
Oh, that's
today's
a separate
hearing
one.
paperwork. Mm-hmm.
Did I have a bond order on him? Do I have a bond order?
I'm checking now. They didn't say what I thought it was a juvenile. They said that David Daniel was a juvenile.
He's definitely not a juvenile.
Correct.
All right, you may have to hold him too.
We'll step back. We got it in a second, okay? Let's have to.
He could go last.
Go back to, that deputy right there.
Give me your last name.
Fry,
Say that, what's your name?
Dontavius Fry, last name Fry.
Fry. All right. All right, Mr. Fry.
Y'all start down. Big man.
Your charges are reckless driving, center turn violation, improper lane change, improper passing and aggressive driving.
Right now, to the deputy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was trying to see how they them charges come about. I'm the one who called the police for, cause the dude shot at my truck.
Icon, three deputy Augustus.
This is Mr. Fry, hold on.
Deputy Augustus. That was one was. What was his first? What was the what?
Was it David Davis? David?
No. I think it was the Al. He was the Al.
I'm trying to look at your criminal history.
Okay.
You need that. Don't put me in first point. They put you over. Great. It'll work out. So sick. And he did in the crate. Shit. He's been working today. Just little something. Yeah, I live. Say, things doing overdue, trying to finish, you know, to do. Yeah, I'm too.
Your Honor,
Mhm.
it looks like Garrett Daniels was seen. He was already seen for first appearance on one charge when he originally was seen on August 11th. And I guess these were additional charges that were just added on today. So I'm gonna go find his criminal history from 8/11.
And can I get a bond order?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Fry,
Yes, ma'am.
on the reckless driving your bond, it said at 2,000, center lane violation 500, improper lane change 1,000, passing on the left 1,500, aggressive driving 1,500 for a total bond of $6,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you, sir. What about Garmin? I'm ready for Garmin.
Yes, ma'am.
You, Mr. Garmin?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Garmin, you're charged with stop sign violation and driving on suspended license.
Yes, ma'am. The reason I was driving because I was watching my mother-in-law and father-in-law, and I was going to get his medicine. He got a feed tube in and took it from Fremont Henry to home. And I've been seeing them looking after, and that's the only reason why I was driving the car, period, man. So no, my license was suspended, but that's all I say. Is there any way I can get a signature bond or something where I can get out? Because I need it. Because he used to have the feeding tube, and my mother-in-law's old, and she has to feed him, and it's hard for her to feed him because of her age and everything. And her daughter's got a brain injury, so she can't do it.
You got so many driving on suspended license. Oh, my goodness.
I ain't had a license in 25 years. I already went and took the test.
Yes, sir.
You keep driving. You're not gonna ever get a license.
I'm already paid the $95 for the driving safety course. I gotta take it at the end of this month, the 30th. And it's gonna cost me $600 to get my license back. I've already took the test. I already paid the $95. I got the receipt. 'Cause I've been in North Carolina, and I come back down here to help my mother. And I ain't been in no trouble in a long time. 4 over 5
True.
years.
2022, 2024, you were just sentenced last January.
Yeah, I'm saying I ain't been in no trouble since I've
That's
been.
last January. Okay.
I straightened my life up and I ain't the same person. I
Well,
used
you just had a driving on suspended license August 1st. Another one. You just won't stop driving. No, I can't give you a signature bond. You just gonna get out and keep driving and come back again.
Lord, I was on a driving defense class and I went to the cost to get my
So
license.
you think this is gonna help? You think this is gonna help you get a license? It's
Yes,
not.
ma'am, if I get my license, it's gonna help.
It ain't gonna help that you driving on suspended license again. It's gonna suspend it even further.
No, I'm not driving nothing else.
Okay. Are you on probation or anything? It looks like you may be 2 years. Just last year, look like you're on probation.
No, I'm not on probation, man.
Driving on suspended license, driving. I don't know.
No, I have no probation hold on me or no probation whatsoever.
Stop driving,
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Garman. Stop driving. I'm gonna let you out. If you come back though, I'm gonna make sure you just gonna sit in since you can't stop driving, you're just gonna sit in jail until your next court date. I mean, till your case is resolved. Because
I'm not gonna drive nothing, Your Honor.
take a Uber, I don't know, but stop driving.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and sign that waiver that the deputy is gonna give you. I'm also appointing an attorney to you. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Your Honor,
Uh-huh.
for Garrett Daniels, the order for bonds was sent to you at 11:17 a.m. For Garrett Daniels.
At the bond order?
Yes, Your Honor.
From you?
It was sent with the other bond orders at 11:17 a.m.
James David. Oh, we got. She got me a bond, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Stanley Howard.
Hold on. And this is Daniels.
What's your first name, James?
Middle name David.
Page 10.
I must be in the wrong document.
It was the ones that was sent
11.
at
Okay.
11/17. It's 10.
11/17, all right.
Your name?
Your waiver?
I mean, I'm sorry, I have his bond order. I need his criminal history. I have his bond order right here in front of me.
Okay, which Daniels? You Garrett Daniels or?
Yes, Garrett
what was-
Daniels.
Okay, what was the other one that you had to go back and you said you didn't have the criminal history for?
I don't know. For now, I know it definitely is Daniels. I don't know. I have to see.
Yeah, Garrett Daniels, they didn't send it because he was seen on the 11th, so I'm pulling it from the 11th.
Okay, all right. All right, I'm sorry, sir. What was your name again?
Stanley Howard.
Howard?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Howard was today. All right, Mr. Howard, you're charged with theft by receiving stolen property. You're in possession of a stolen vehicle and also suspended license.
I didn't know my license was suspended at all because I drive for work. I actually didn't know that my license was suspended. And as far as the vehicle, I was just I missed a call from them. It was a rental vehicle. I didn't get a chance to extend it. I was turned in literally the same day that I got pulled over in the truck. It was just a rental vehicle. It wasn't like it was a work truck.
Has it? The warrant simply says that that the officer observed a Penske box truck out of Indiana. Coming back is stolen.
No, ma'am, it wasn't from Indiana. I rented it from here. I mean, that I guess all the tags say Indiana. I rented a box truck from here, and it was just I didn't turn it in time.
All right, so I'm giving you a bond on that for $2,000, driving on suspended license, $1,000 for a total bond of $3,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. You have any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Do you think I can get a signature bond for my license? I never did anything with the license before, like as far as my driving. If you can give me a signature bond for that one.
I can't. I've already did 1,000. Criminal trespass, you have some history, not a lot. Criminal trespass in 2021.
That was
Criminal
dropped.
trespass. Oh, it
All,
was dropped. I
all
see
of those
it.
is dropped. I haven't been convicted of anything.
Right. Uh, yeah, I go down on the 1,000 to 500. So that's $2,500 bond. All right, good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
That's 200. That's 250 right there. 250.
Your Honor, I just sent the criminal history for Daniels, Garrett Daniels, page 71.
All right, sir, what's your name?
Larry Mitchell.
Mr. Mitchell?
Press the button down. I'll just answer 2 and 4. Press the button. Oh. That's at 4 o'clock. It's only at 1. She I work with LB. Yeah, all of them. I work with either. I don't trust nobody. That's why. Oh, Lord, if you didn't come, I'm not gonna back on the 7:30, do not let them in. 7:30, do not let them in. Y'all heard me? No. 7:30, do not let them in.
All right, Mr. Mitchell, some pretty egregious allegations here.
It's on road.
What? Who told you that elevator supposed to be? And we'll call.
Do you need to hear some of your allegations or?
No, it come from, that's the girlfriend, boyfriend type. I know my charges, but we actually live together to the point, like, how can I, like, I see I had armed robbery, but how can I arm rob my own old lady? Then it's a kidnapping, like, we stay together. My address is her address, and she also wrote an affidavit that she submitted to the magistrate court right after saying that, you know what I mean? It was just out of anger. She admitted out of anger. Wasn't on fire.
So that you drove off with the victims, Blue Dodge Journey.
We stay together. I take, like, that's around the time she go to work.
The victim jumped out of the vehicle. You pursued her on foot. She attempted to run away. You held her at gunpoint.
Nah, that's why she wrote the saying that
They always change their story later.
we stay together, like we actually stay together. But I don't even own no firearm or anything that type of nature. Then my probation officer come to the house and check where I live at. You know.
Forced her into the rear seat of her own vehicle.
Like, we got locked up together yesterday. She actually here now, like, you know what I'm saying? And I mean,
So the armed robbery, I can't set a bond anyway. That's 17. I can't set a bond, so that bond is denied. The battery, I'm gonna do 5,000. Terroristic threats.
Tell them go to Twitter.
I was trying to see you, I was trying to come on base, parents.
All right, sir, I have denied your bonds, but I've set a preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
September 8th.
Yep. Not for. What's your name, sir?
Jason Ingram.
You said Ingram?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Ingram.
I appreciate it.
Mm. All right. Looks like you've got separate incidents.
I had a warrant put on me in the LTA. But I just got charged with something.
All right. Criminal trespass, you're charged with criminal trespass.
And I was never arrested for that. Like I never got, like I didn't even know that I had a warrant until like 2 weeks ago.
All righty. So on this, do you live with Miss Montgomery? Do y'all reside together?
We did 2 years ago.
But right now you don't.
No, ma'am.
All right. And so who owns 5470
No,
Riverdale Road?
Neither one of us.
Okay, you can't go back to that location. I guess that's the location that all this occurred.
Okay.
All right. So criminal trespass 1,000, simple battery 2,000, possession of marijuana over an ounce 3,000, Georgia violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act 5,000, driving on suspended license 1,000, brake light violation 500. Total bond is 11,500. Actually, I'm gonna do 2,000 there. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I made it 10,000 instead of 5, 11. So $10,500. You can't have any contact with Nicole Montgomery. You can't go back to that location on Riverdale Road. I've set your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. And so, you got to make sure you put, looks like these are separate incidents. One happened in July. The one that happened in July is a misdemeanor. So those set need to go on one.
Those read them based on the date.
Well, no, so warrant number 2024 CW 2021 and 25, those need to go on the misdemeanor calendar. And then the other ones, which are driving offenses and the drug charges, need to go on a felony calendar. If you don't do it right, we're gonna have problems if he has to go to pre-med.
Okay, understood.
And so your preliminary hearing date for the felony is 9/8, for the misdemeanors is 9/9. All righty, your total bond, 10,500. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Jose Dela Cruz Jr.
Okay, here, we'll go for it. Mr. Dela Cruz, let me look at your criminal history.
Yeah. 5 years. Listen, I don't know, bro. Then you get in the restaurant. Oh, yeah. You just been there for too long. Yes.
This is today.
You're looking for the page number, Your Honor?
Yes.
Cruz is on the criminal history that was sent on, it's page 1.
From yesterday?
Hold on, I'm looking, hold on, let's see. Today. It was for the criminal history that was sent today. He was seen on Monday, I believe, and then today again, additional charges.
Oh, okay, so that's the one you sent me already. Okay.
No, ma'am, on Monday, I wasn't even saw on Monday. I got here, they hit me with a controlled substance, and then I was gonna bond out on that. I was called to intake, and then they hit me with 4 more charges. They told me I would go to court the next day. That was Saturday. On Saturday, I came all the way down here, and when I got in front of the judge, they said, "We don't have your paperwork. We'll see you again on Monday." And now it's Wednesday.
So no one has read your charges to you?
Oh, ma'am. Other than the controlled substance that was read to me, I believe it was last Friday. So I've been here a whole week.
Do you see the page number for Dela, where his criminal history start?
It's page 1, Your Honor.
Y'all must have me looking at the wrong one. Because I have Quincy Middleton at the first page. Hold on.
So it was the criminal histories that was sent for today.
I'm saying it's in this criminal history that you just sent me?
No. It was the one that was sent for today.
Okay, his criminal history is in there.
Yes.
And what,
And it's
on what, you
page-
said the first page?
Yep, it's the first page.
Page of part 2?
No, it's part 1. They put him in part 1.
All right, here it is. Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, maybe let me just say, and trail haven't gotten it to fully control. You got the process. We talked about.
This is with that, you have a co-defendant. I remember these facts. All right, so apprehension, I'm gonna do 3,000 on that one, fleeing from police. Fleeing from police, I'm gonna do 3,000 on that one. Reckless driving, 3,000 on that one. Speeding, 2,000 on that one for a total bond of 11,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Have any questions, sir? Your preliminary hearing is September the 8th, but you don't have to worry about that if you bond out. All right?
Yes, ma'am. I won't be able to bond out because I have a federal hold on me already. I just noted that my due process rights was violated by not having first appearance in the first 48 hours of me being arrested. And thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, it does show that he did appear and got a bond on August 8th for a different charge on a different date. So they're not all the same charges on the same warrant.
All righty. And sir, what's your name?
Alexis Carmona.
Okay, yes. Okay. Oh, Carmona. Mr. Carmona, was he on for today or yesterday? I mean, Monday.
What was that in there?
Looking now.
I think it was today.
Yes, Your Honor, he was for today.
Do you see what page number his criminal history is on? I don't see his criminal history. It skips over it.
I believe I did see it. Give me one quick second. I think it was, it had only had those charges on there. Hold on. I found Carmon on the first appearance, criminal histories that were today, part 1, page 43.
Oh, sorry. All right, looks like he doesn't have a criminal history. All right. All right, homicide by vehicle. That's gonna have to be no bond. Hit and run, 10,000. Improper lane change, 500. Speeding, 2,500. Reckless driving, 2,000. But at this time, I cannot grant a bond. Your preliminary hearing is set for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond, for September 18th, and I'm also appointing an attorney to you.
Your Honor, I do have an attorney.
Okay, well, what I'm gonna do is appoint an attorney, and then when your attorney file an entry of appearance, then this attorney will be removed.
Can I ask you one question?
Uh-huh.
Can my bond right now affect something if I tell you the fact I turned myself in yesterday?
No.
Oh.
And so, but what can happen is your attorney can go ahead and speak with the state, and they may be able to come up with something. That they can do that at any time. They don't have to wait for court.
Okay.
All righty. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Your Honor, you said his court date was September 18th?
September 8th.
Oh, 8th.
One sec.
All right, sir, what's your name?
Hey, how you doing? Good afternoon. My name is Douglas Wolf.
Douglas.
Full, FULL.
Oh, full.
Yes, ma'am.
And I just. I don't know. Hold him back for just a second. I don't see his paperwork.
Yes, dinner.
Right, do you have David Templeton?
Yes, ma'am, we got Templeton.
Or can I get Templeton? And then,
And who else was like after that, Your
that's it, the rest of these I don't, you can do males next.
Nicholas Poole was sent today, Your Honor. He was on
That again?
today's calendar.
Who was?
Poole was on today's calendar. It should be with
Yeah, oh,
today's.
here it is. I knew I saw it. It's right here in my face. I'm just tired. You can bring full after this one.
Oh, you want full or Templeton?
I can do Templeton first and then full. The Templeton, you're charged with aggravated assault by strangulation. I only set that bond at 2,000 because of how the warrant is written. Generally, this is an offense that does not have a bond. But you must stay away from Jim Gomes. And you may not return to that location. The 8684 Westbourne in Jonesboro, you can't go back there, okay?
All right.
And you can't have any contact with Mr. Gaines. This sounds like such a petty thing. It was over food.
No, Your Honor, but I believe that's something that needs to be discussed in court.
Right, absolutely. And so your preliminary hearing, if you don't bond out, your preliminary hearing is September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But sir, I'm taking a chance on you with this.
Thank you.
All right,
Yes, ma'am.
with that low bond, you can't have any contact with him.
That's
And I'm
fine.
also, all right, I'm gonna also appoint, and you can't get into anything else while you're
Aye.
out on bond. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, how many charges do you show?
I have the 3, and then I have an extra warrant, another warrant for criminal trespass, damage to property. Hold on one second.
Oh. What is she doing? No. What are they doing? They walk back and forth. What's she? I catch you walking back and forth. What is home? With inmate. Then she moving that stuff out to
All right, Mr. Templeton, so, 2,000, 1,000, so your bond is 3,000, and then you had an extra warrant, you have another warrant, and that was for criminal trespass, and that was for, the victim Lamar Butler. You broke the handle of the refrigerator door. Oh, that's the $1,000 bond. Okay, so your total bond is $3,000, and I have appointed an attorney to you, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, so Deputy, I don't know how many more I can do. I have got to go. But if you could bring Mr. Full.
You're
Mr. Templeton, I'm done with you.
You got a question? That is what, sir. I'll do it for.
And so Mr. Donato Wilson, that one is probably gonna have to be continued, because I can't do it right now.
Wilson gonna be continued.
Unless y'all just want to sit down there, I would have to take a break for about 30 minutes. Or he can be continued.
Wilson, you said Wilson, Your Honor. Who else you would like to continue?
Wilson can be continued, and did we ever do Garrett Daniels? Did I ever get what I needed for that? I think I was waiting on the criminal history.
Your Honor, that's the information I emailed to you, page 71.
Okay, all righty. And who are you, sir?
I'm Douglas Full, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Full, you're in possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, as well as seatbelt violation. Sir, you don't supposed to have possession of a firearm.
Can I say one thing?
Go ahead.
I was currently, that was like at 9:30 that morning. That was my baby's mother's car. Her car was running funny. We came and dropped my kid up in daycare. I know the exact
I
address.
see okay. All right, so I'm gonna set that bond at 5,000. I'm gonna give you a bond. But you don't need to be in possession. You need to check cards that you're gonna drive and make sure there are no weapons in it. I'm also appointing an attorney to you, all right? So your bond is 5,500
For both of the charges?
for both charges.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, good luck to you. Stay out of trouble.
Okay, Your Honor, who would you like next?
And then, for males,
He's right here.
you say she is?
He's right here.
Yeah, it looks like they're all misdemeanor, driving up suspended license, obstruction.
What's the other one we got?
Just put them on here. Oh, yeah, it's all.
All right, so, for no insurance, sir, are you Mr. Saranta, Males?
Yes.
All All right, no insurance, 1,000, driving on suspended license, 1,000,
My
fleeing
license
from
was
police.
suspended.
I'm sorry, knowingly driving on a suspended registration, car registration. Fleeing, that was 1,000, fleeing from police, 2,000, obstruction, 2,000, for a total bond of $6,000, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 9th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, I appreciate it.
We can go home to it.
And your name, sir?
I'm Keaton Mosley, Your Honor.
What's your last name?
Mosley.
What is it?
Mosley, M-O-S.
Mosley.
Mosley.
Yes, sir.
That's it?
Yeah.
We'll try.
Well, you gotta.
Slide down.
Hold on.
Yeah. Walk in, sit down.
You know what to sit, we gonna sit.
I see that. Hold on, I have to say, hold on.
One of y'all gotta sit.
I
I've seen.
No, blue lines, other blue lines.
No, you, the red jumpsuits on?
Yeah.
I just sit right
No,
there.
I'm very Joe. Caucasian man.
The Caucasian man is on? Okay.
Good for you, yeah. Jerome Monson. Yeah, she said she's doing good. She said that Saturday we get first of all. Wow. She's gonna go away from me. She said it's just that. Well, I want to finish it up. She want to put a lounge chair in there. The hookah machine. Right.
Who said that?
We can decorate so I want.
Oh, yeah, big LT's office?
Yeah.
LT off the phone.
Hey, I'm about to donate one of my TVs. Yeah.
To LT.
No, to the kids, so tomorrow, swap move.
Yeah.
The lights not going out there. The hookah.
I think if I do swap out my one that's in my law.
It's a lot of money.
Oh, y'all don't have a law for your house?
Yes. You said what? You broke? You said,
I don't have a lot, but I have a nice house, but I don't have a lot. But my new house probably ran a lot, 2 lots. But that's what, this building from the ground up, so.
Oh, you make sounds good. That sounds cute.
It's cute.
It's cute. Very demure. I gotta find word my house.
Very good.
I actually getting a new whole different clip. Let me find out. I'm not sure full range either. I really don't. So what you do with the computers? On the ground? On the ground. I'm doing. We go up on the ground. Yes, computers on the ground. No shit's going at all.
What do you mean on the ground?
On the ground. Everything's on the ground. All the camera is on the ground.
There's no computer.
There's no
chairs, no desks.
So now you gotta walk it.
It's nothing in here. I'm dead serious.
Or doc.
Oh, the doctor's on the ground.
Go look at it. They must get new stuff to show me.
Yeah, they got.
That's a movie. Yeah, that's it. And she just ripped all.
Y'all lying.
Just kidding. I'm dead serious. But she said she's sick of it being nasty. Ooh. After. You say y'all drugs, y'all shopping.
I'm doing the doctor.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was.
This is that's the he's going with all this stuff. He's for access because he told all this stuff.
Okay, so we're gonna get this.
You shoot out.
Yeah, I'm broke. You don't have the red mouth. Scratch up. And don't you like some of this? I'm gonna have $2. Don't you say TI houses and get houses for the 5%. I don't know that. I'm trying to get out of this. I'll get handled. Over for that. Okay, I'm doing push.
All right. So I have his. Okay, so, what?
What do you get your? Huh? What do you get your? Love to is so.
Why don't I see Mosley? Do you, I was,
Mosley was sent in the paperwork yesterday. The order for bond was.
then Tucker, that thing is on there. I gotta.
Yeah,
print
Mosley
this
was
bond
sent,
order.
his order for bond and his warrant was sent yesterday in the yesterday paperwork.
What, when you said blue, like, what color blue? And what else? Yeah, I knew that. I'm gonna put it on your own. Let me get. It's the last one.
No, go on. 4 o'clock. Yeah, no. 4 o'clock. Not 4 o'clock. No, it's 4 o'clock. You can go there. Yeah, no. It's all 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 o'clock. 4. The Atlantic area code. Officer, I left my paperwork down here. Not weird. Asking her
You
that.
better go get her, he probably threw it in the trap, I know.
Where? But there's some, so get it, paperwork, what paperwork you like to do? You mean the paper that you signed? No, I don't know who's on. Is it paperwork over there, inmate worker? What is it? What kind of paperwork is it?
Oh, so I know why I don't have Mr. Mosley. The officer was amending it. Let's see if she sent it. And sir, are you a senior?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're supposed to be graduating.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this is where we are.
Yes, Your Honor.
You don't like where you are, do you?
No, Your Honor.
I'm not going to, I am not going to continue him. Because I need him to get out and get back to school. I just have to switch out the warrants.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let me, I know, let me get, I just. I hope this was a real life lesson.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me print this.
Yeah, my son just came out. Crazy, guys, we talk a lot all the time. What? You trying to get? I would find that's how big it's true. If somebody that was doing that too, I want to do. Every day that I walk up for me. Man, I mean, I went to, I think we were doing 72 hours in jail. We're back to the probation. He spoke for racing. One to go back there. He said, I'm never going back there. That man made sure we go pay for the, yeah, we want. The monster. Why would you get this? They in the train. Whoa. It's this comes out from my black outside. Oh, maybe off the phone. Hopefully, don't go. You guys have security. Why you say you're not the victim? I'm gonna rotate. What? What's that? There is. There's nothing. Yes. That's what I wrote in project. Not what I needed. Get on my nerves.
Where you going? Maybe Augusta said send him Charlie 1, Charlie 3.
Okay, take Charlie from.
1 to 3, or if he got it on yet.
I need to bring it down. Okay,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Still gonna fuck it up.
Hey, y'all come meet y'all to say.
Hey, we so hard, I'm gonna let them eat.
Oh. Y'all come meet y'all to say.
Your Honor, you're unmuted.
I'm gonna just go from work. All right, so Mr. Mosley, you're charged with battery.
Yes, Your Honor.
You can't have any contact with the other student in this case. I'm gonna amend it. It did not have that student's name on it. But I'm going to have to amend this. I'm also going to appoint you an attorney. Okay, striking the victim with a closed fist about his head and body, intentionally causing bodily harm. Your brother jumped into it. Damage to the victim's right eye and face. I'm sure this victim student, this other student's mother is not happy about this. I'm gonna set your bond at 3,000. And I'm setting your preliminary hearing for September the 9th at 8:30 a.m. Your parents can go ahead and bond you out. Okay, all righty. I'm going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you so much.
Next.
All right, stay out of trouble.
I will.
All right, who else do we have?
Is the elevator?
Yes.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Hey, what's your name, sir?
My name is Tani Saeed.
All right, I have you right here. You are charged with no insurance. That bond is set at 1,000. No license, 1,000. Expired tag, 500. No tag light, 500. Obstruction, 2,000. Fleeing from police, 2,000. And registration canceled for a total bond of $7,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Setting your preliminary hearing date for September the 8th at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Your Honor, can I bond out? Because I believe I
Yeah, you
also
can.
have a VOP.
Say that again.
I believe the lady that booked me in yesterday or the day before, she told me I had a VOP, so I had to wait on that. But if you say I could bond out, then
Well, I
that's
mean, you can bond out. That don't mean a hold is not going to be placed on you.
okay.
Mm. Is this one, you got to take from yesterday or today?
Say that again, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what was the name again, Your Honor?
TANI.
Today.
Tanny
Today.
is, hold on, I believe I saw Tanny.
And then who's with them?
Tanny order for bond was sent to you yesterday, but his warrant didn't come until today.
So, I don't see where you should be held. I don't know. Maybe it's something just not showing on your criminal history, but I don't see where you should have a VOP hold. I don't know. Maybe it's something I don't see, but you should be able to bond out. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. All righty. Good luck to you, sir.
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
No, come on. I will make 4. Housing or go to elevator 2 or 4. Oh, actually, you gotta charge after 4 phone call. And you said housing unit 4? Yeah. And what is that today? So you're gonna see 2 or 4, the elevator, you'll press the silver button. When you get on, you'll run section. When we get off. Over here. Look.
All right, sir, what's your name?
Sanders. Roger
Sanders.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right, Sanders, you're charged with criminal trespass. Is this one from today or yesterday?
Yesterday, ma'am.
Mhm. I literally can't even read this one. I'm at the.
This warrant was sent over this morning.
Oh, this morning.
Python 3 David character. Not going nowhere.
Can you tell me what page is on?
Sanders criminal history.
No, I have it. I see. I got it.
Python 3 David character. It's here already though.
All right, so I'm gonna set your bond at 500. Don't go back to that location, all right?
Yeah, ma'am.
They said they already gave you a trespassing warning before.
Yeah,
I'm
ma'am.
setting your preliminary hearing for September the 8th if you don't bond out.
Yeah, ma'am.
And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Come on.
All right, what's your name, sir?
Ricky Tucker.
I said not act. That you're not here. Hey. Oh, we're gonna try. Yeah. Call the correction officer and see what's going on. Okay. Cause you're only sitting here and say not active in the system. Okay. Chris Tucker.
All right, you're charged with criminal damage in the second degree, which is a felony.
There's no, where you at? You seen Karen?
Do you need anger management, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, for the criminal damage in the second degree, I'm setting your bond at 2,000, criminal trespass, 2,000 for a total bond of $4,000. And so you can't go back to that residence.
Yes, ma'am.
3190.
I just
Say
wanna
that
know,
again? Say that again?
Do I have a hold? I'm just making sure.
I don't know if you have a hold, they'll know if you try to bond out.
Yes, ma'am.
3190. 3196 Mount Zion Road. And that's in Stockbridge. You cannot have any contact with, this is your mother, I guess. Jocelyn Scott, CHOSOLAN, Scott. Is that your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you, okay. I am going, so so you're employed, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
It looks like you don't qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one to you. You have to hire your own attorney. All righty, good luck to you, sir. All right, who do we have left?
We have, Michael left, Garrett,
Hold on.
we have 3 left, Your Honor. Garrett, Daniel.
Grab 2. Page 2.
Oh, Michael Daniel.
There you go.
I'm talking about him.
Deputy, you said Michael Daniels, Garrett Daniels, and who else?
What's your last name, sir?
Daniel.
So we got 3 Daniels.
That is.
So we got Daniel, 2 Daniels, and 1 Daniel without the S.
Okay, Garrett Daniels, I think he sent you sent me the criminal history, right?
Yes. Page 71.
I'm sorry?
It was on page 71.
Of what you sent me?
Yes.
Here it is. All right. All right, so you have to, the bond order that I have does not have, it's missing a charge on it.
He was seen for it.
Already?
Yes, for one of the charges. The 2 that you have is the ones he wasn't seen for. We already have a bond amount for one of those charges.
So you already have a bond amount for the false report of a crime?
Let me confirm it for you. I'm pulling it up now. And you're talking about for Daniel Garrett, correct?
Right, Garrett Daniels.
Yes, Garrett Daniels. Hold on, I'll give you the bond amount for him.
Mhm.
Can I tell you one question, Your Honor?
Uh-huh.
I bonded out on the first charge, and as I was getting out, they told me the other 2 charges, so they said my police report was false. My home is burglarized and broken into still as of right now.
I know, you told me that information.
Yeah, that money was paid for that bond for the first one, then these other 2 came. I was getting ready to do.
For the false, he was seen on Monday and the bond was set at 2,500.
False report of a crime?
Correct.
All right. And do you see what date he was placed on? What prelim date?
The prelim date. The prelim date was 9/9.
It should be 9. It should be
But it should be
September 8th.
9/8. Okay, so I need
Right.
to change this one as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Make sure it's all on the same one. If you
Okay.
find out, that's no problem, but, and then,
Your Honor, can I ask you one question?
so let me give you your bond amount. Serious injury by vehicle, I'm setting that at 10,000. Hit and run, I'm setting that at 2,000, for a total bond of $12,000 on these two charges. All right, what do you want to say?
Honor, can I ask for a signature bond on this, please?
I'm sorry?
Can I ask for a signature bond on this, please, Your Honor?
Oh, no, not on the serious injury by vehicle, absolutely not.
Your Honor, it wasn't even me in the car. I just.
Well, I appointed you an attorney so you can, get with an attorney to get all of that straightened out. Here, that's just not my role, determine whether or not you guilty or innocent. That's not why we're here. All righty, good luck to you, sir. And then,
Michael.
what about Dante Wilson? You have a Dante Wilson?
You said.
I saw him already?
Said send him back, he was gonna continue him.
Oh, okay, yeah, all right, yep. And then what's your name, sir?
Michael Daniels, Your Honor.
Another Daniels.
The actually have
Juvenile, Your Honor. Well,
Say that
they
again?
juvenile.
He
Wait,
was
one
from
moment.
yesterday or today?
Not him. I'm sorry. That was David Daniel. He
No, the
is
one we just did was
from,
Garrett, but,
we also have a David too.
and you're David?
No, ma'am, I'm Michael.
Michael.
How long you been in this?
Couple of days.
You said that's it is. Which one?
He's not even on the list, on our jail list.
Yeah, that was the one I was telling you about as well. He's another.
Did you already go to first appearance, sir?
No, ma'am, I didn't receive a court date in the mail, and I was pulled over for driving on suspended license. And they gave me a 1 to 10 violation, an improper left turn or something. I wanted to dispute that because I never turned or anything, but I wasn't given a court date. And I was asked for my ID and I was arrested saying I had a warrant on me. Come here.
Court. It's FTA, bro.
Hmm.
FTA, not a court.
You don't? I didn't know.
Yeah, so are you looking for his paperwork?
Your Honor, I'm looking for him.
Your Honor?
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like he has an FTA for court, so he doesn't have first appearance today.
All righty, I didn't think so. He's not on either list. All righty. And then
But the last one is David.
So you gotta walk him out and tell him.
the last name is David?
Yes, ma'am, David Daniel. Ashton Daniel, I'm sorry.
Say the name again. Ashton Daniels?
Yes, ma'am, Ashton Daniel, no S.
I don't see him either.
He wasn't on the list either.
All righty, well, they'll go back.
Let's see.
Oh, this the one you thought was a juvenile, and you said he had to go last.
Do you know why, sir, do you know why you're there? You have any charges or?
Yes, ma'am, violation of probation.
Oh, okay, yeah, that wouldn't be here. Okay. Yeah, he didn't need to come to first appearance.
That's all, Your Honor. You good to go back.
I think that, okay, all righty. Let's see.
You did good today, guys.
You know what?
You did.